this is Raksha from Team Calilio, and this is a demo video for individual users. When you first log into the platform, you will be redirected to this dashboard interface. As an individual user, what you need to do is to first purchase a number. For that, what you need to do is click on the plus symbol beside the number section. You will then be redirected to this page where it reads My Number. Here, you can select the country you want a number from. For United States, the first local number you purchase is for free. After you've selected the country, you select the number type, which is usually the local number type for individual users. Then, you select the capabilities you want your number to have, such as voice, SMS, and MMS. When the boxes beside the options turn blue with a tick mark on them, you know that you have selected the capabilities. When you scroll down, you will see the available numbers for that number type with those capabilities. Now, you simply choose a number and click on the Add to Cart button. This drop box will appear where you have to enter your name and then click on the Add to Cart button to complete the process. For example, I enter the name Raksha and click on the Add to Cart button. Now you can see the number has been added. To complete the purchase, you simply click on the Confirm Purchase Number.